much, Williams. If this is Williams Loves to Learn. And Z that too. No, that's not what I want.
William, sit down, please. Do you want macaroni and cheese or do you want jollof rice?
Jollof rice? What's a jollof rice?
It's an orange rice. I like the white rice.
What's it? Mommy, what's the jollof rice, Mommy?
That's the orange rice.
Yeah, I want that jollof rice.
I like the
the cereal, Mommy.
Williams,
No.
if you want the orange rice, then you have to eat your cereal.
But I want to eat your feed me.
Okay.
Please.
If you want the orange rice, Williams, you have to eat your cereal and you have to eat 15 spoons.
No, that's too many. Too many things. That's too many, Mommy. Too many spoons.
Okay, so I guess no jollof rice for you.
I want jollof rice. Stop! You keep asking me the same question over and over.
Now sit down, please.
Mommy, I stayed here by myself.
Williams, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave. Lunchtime, I'm gonna give you macaroni and cheese.
No. Ah!
So what do you want for lunch?
Jello rice.
Yeah.
You want orange rice?
Yeah. But stop letting me eat myself, Mommy.
Williams, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old, so stop being.
So do you think? Okay, sit down. Sit down.
I
Let's
like
talk.
to feed myself with the cereal. That's what I don't like, Mommy.
So because it's cereal, I have to feed you.
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah, cause it's cereal. Cause
Okay.
I don't like cereal, Mommy.
Okay. So if I feed you, then for lunchtime, I'm gonna give you macaroni and cheese.
No, Mommy.
Or you feed yourself, and for lunchtime, I'll give you rice. Which one?
Jollof rice.
So you're gonna feed yourself?
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to do 20 spoons, 15 spoons, or 10 spoons?
I want to do 10 spoons.
All right. Please go sit down.
But when I fall, they're still gonna give me more spoons than 10.
Well, go sit down. You said you want to do 10 spoons, so sit down.
That's the extra cereal, Mommy.
Williams.
Extra cereal is
Well, if you
bad.
keep talking, I'm gonna leave, and then lunchtime it's gonna be macaroni and cheese. Go ahead. All right. So how many
I want
spoons?
to eat the honey bunches of cereal, but that's the extra one for me. Yeah.
How many spoons did you say you wanted? Did you want 10 or 15 or 20?
10. 10.
10 spoons?
You're not gonna give me more spoons than 10.
Okay. So you want 10 spoons. All right, let's go. Number 1.
1,
Mommy?
2,
But I have to get the honey bunch out of the spoon. It's not coming out. No, it's not coming out.
Williams, please sit down.
I'm frustrated at this, Mommy. I'm so sad.
Well, okay. All right, fine. We'll just not do jollof rice for lunch.
I want it.
Can I get macaroni and cheese too?
I'm not getting. I don't want macaroni and cheese.
Williams, okay, I need you to listen to me and listen to me well. If you scream again, that's it. There's no jollof rice today.
I want the
I'm
honey bunch
just-
to get out of the spoon, Mommy, please.
Williams, just scoop your cereal.
I don't like the honey butter out to the spoon, Mommy. How do I get it out? Not working.
There.
Make a little chip. Make a little chip.
All right, spoon number 1.
were trying.
Number 1.
I was trying to talk to you, but you didn't listen to me.
Number 2.
I want to try 2 grapes because they're healthy, Mommy.
No, that's too much. Don't put too much food in your mouth at the same
I
time.
could put too much healthy food, Mommy. Good for my tummy.
Well, just because it's healthy doesn't mean that you should put too much food in your mouth.
But, Mommy.
Next spoon, Williams. Okay, let's focus on your food, okay?
Yeah. How many spoons did I eat?
I don't know, I stopped counting. How many do you think you ate?
I don't know. Mommy, I think I eat 10.
You think it's up to 10? You sure? What'd you say it's done?
I said he ate it only.
He ate.
So he only ate
I didn't eat 2.
Up to what?
3.
3? No, he ate more than 3.
Yeah, more than 3.
About 7.
Do you think it was 7, Williams?
Yeah.
So how many more do you need to eat?
3.
Okay.
7 plus 3 equals 10.
Okay.
But where's the other grapes?
Which other grapes?
I want other grapes.
Williams.
I want 1 more grape, and then I'm all done.
Well, you have some grapes. Look, there's 1, 2. Oh, to make it 3?
Yeah, I need
Well,
to
eat
make
the
it
2 and I'll
3.
get you 1.
Maybe I eat 8.
Maybe you ate 8, maybe.
Yeah, but 8 plus 2 does equal to 10. But what is 80 plus 2 does equal?
What is what?
Let's count the dots.
Let's focus on your food.
No dots. No questions. No
Okay,
answering.
back to your food. Should I bring you 1 more grape? Okay.
There are 2 grapes. I just ate 8. Now I need 2 more. I gotta eat it without the cereal.
Eat it with the cereal, baby.
I don't like cereal.
But you're almost done.
Maybe I should eat 2 grapes without the cereal.
Okay, Williams.
That's the cereal.
Don't make your tummy hurt.
All right.
Mommy.
Good job.
Yeah! I finished the milk.
Well, you let the cereal. You let the cereal soak in the milk, Williams.
I didn't finish.
You didn't finish your milk? Why not? Ouch!
Subscribe.